Today, let's break down everything surrounding the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 FE. Known for delivering premium features at a more budget-friendly price, the Fan Edition series has always been popular. With the S24 FE, it looks like Samsung is offering several improvements over the previous models, so let's dive into the details. First off, let's address the charging speeds. Those expecting faster charging might find the Galaxy S24 FE a bit underwhelming in this regard. Samsung has decided to stick with 25-watt wired charging, the same as in the Galaxy S23 FE and even the standard Galaxy S24. Wireless charging remains at 15 watt, just like in the other S24 models, including the higher-end variants like the Ultra. Reverse wireless charging is also unchanged, topping out at 4.5 watt. While charging speeds are staying the same, the S24 FE has some exciting news in the battery department. The Galaxy S24 FE is equipped with a 4,700 mAh battery, which is a 200 mAh increase over any previous Galaxy S FE phone. This might not seem like a massive upgrade at first glance, but in practical terms, it translates into a significant improvement in daily usage. Samsung is touting that this larger battery, combined with a more efficient processor, will deliver much better battery life. They're estimating up to 78 hours of audio playback and 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. That's a noticeable jump, with 9 more hours of audio and 7 more hours of video than the Galaxy S23 FE could manage. For anyone constantly on the move, this extended battery life could be a key selling point. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S24 FE will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400 chipset. This 10-core processor represents a substantial upgrade from the previous generation. One of the notable changes is that Samsung is rolling out the Exynos chip for all markets, including the US and Canada, which traditionally receives Snapdragon processors. The Exynos 2400 promises excellent performance, even though its fastest core might operate at a slightly lower speed on the Fan Edition. Still, with 9 other cores running at full capacity, users can expect smooth multitasking, gaming, and everyday browsing experiences. The improved efficiency of the chipset also plays a key role in making the most of the larger battery, ensuring that the phone lasts longer between charges. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy S24 FE is set to offer the largest and brightest screen in the Fan Edition lineup so far. It features a 6.7-inch screen, which is an upgrade over the 6.4-inch display of the S23 FE. What's more, the peak brightness has been increased to 1900 nits, a significant jump from the 1450 nits found on last year's model. This larger and brighter display means that users will have a better viewing experience, whether they're watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling through social media. Even in bright outdoor conditions, the screen will offer clear visibility with vibrant colors and crisp details. For those who prioritize display quality, this will be a major selling point. So, where does the Galaxy S24 FE stand overall? While it doesn't introduce any breakthroughs in charging speeds, the improvements in battery capacity, performance, and display make it a compelling option. The combination of the Exynos 2400 chipset and a 4,700 mAh battery should deliver a well-rounded balance of power and endurance, perfect for anyone looking for a reliable daily driver at a mid-range price point. For those thinking of upgrading or jumping into the Fan Edition series for the first time, the Galaxy S24 FE offers a solid value. It may not be a game-changing release, but the thoughtful upgrades it brings make it a worthwhile contender in the market. What do you think of the Galaxy S24 FE? Do the unchanged charging speeds bother you, or does the bigger battery and upgraded display win you over? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech updates.